Hello everybody and welcome back to another Plan With Me video, a monthly Plan With Me video. I am planning for the month of November 2021. Very excited. November is quite a busy month for us. I am using the Thanksgiving art from Scribble Prints Co. because I will not be using this art for my Thanksgiving week, and I still wanted to use it because it's still really cute. So do you see like how lopsided my planner is? Like this side is so drubby and then this side is just like do. You know what I mean? So let's get this bad boy open. I'm excited to pre-plan. I have a couple things on the dashboard. Sagittarius Babe, Moana, Living on the Edge. These are from Honey Bee Shop. I don't know where the heck I got that, but living for it, you know, excited. Yeah, let's go ahead and pre-plan this month. Like I said, it's a very exciting one. We are going to Disney World. I am so excited. I could cry. I have been looking forward to this day for so long. So let's zoom you in a little bit and get started with the top portions here. I'm just gonna do one of these. Perfect. I think I pulled out everything I need, but usually with monthlies, I always forget like one thing because, you know, I only do 12 of them a year, so I typically will forget something. But I did remember, oh geez, I pulled my headphones. These, not December, I'm using rose gold with this kit. You could use gold or whatever. I think this kit really goes with anything, but I'm using rose gold. I'm using the November monthly. Do I even need tweezers for this? Quite possibly, actually. On top in rose gold, so I've committed. It got a little bumpy. That's okay. Oh, it got really bumpy. Oh, yikes. Okay, so that works. So there's that, and then for the sidebar, I just like to use the Deco sidebar piece because I don't use these, like, I use them functionally, but not like really functionally, you know what I mean? So I don't use the functional sidebar. I opt always to use, why am I getting so many bubbles? The Deco sidebar. So there's that. Like I said, so much this week. I'm very this month. That is the one thing I did forget. I totally forgot washi, but I do have my Simply Gilded Rose Gold right here. So is there a green in this kit though? BRB. I know. Oh wait, no, it's right here. Oh, it's in gold though, isn't it? It's like a copper. I haven't put those away. Let's just use the rose gold because it's out and it's easier. So we'll just kind of center some bows here. I do this for the days that are not in the month. There are stickers in the kit you could use for this, but you know, I own a ton of Simply Gilded washi. I've actually contemplated selling it because I don't really use it except for this and for Avery's class projects. But I don't know. I don't know if anybody would be interested in the amount of washi I have, nor do I know how to even price it. Because I would just be like, here, just take the whole lot, 200 bucks, call it a day, you know what I mean? But I don't know. We'll see. I might just keep it, continue to use it for school projects, you know? Because all her stuff turns out real cute. I'll do a little bit more down here. She did a timeline project of her life because she's learning how to do timelines. She did choose 5 like major events of her life, and we got pictures and stuff of those, and she wanted to do like washi tape and stickers, and because that's basically my life, I was just like, choose, go into the office and pick. So we did washi along the sides and it was fun. Can't get this one up to save my life though. There we go. Cute. And then we just, geez Louise, have to cut this side. That's, oh yeah, I knew that was going to be crooked from the get because my hand slipped. Hopefully that's better. Probably not, but it's okay. And then let's do this side and we can call it. That actually went a little crooked, huh? Sorry guys. I feel like when I concentrate, it's like I get completely silent, and that's obviously not good when you're filming a video. But I don't know, I just want to make sure everything is okay, you know? All right, so let's do this. And then we're gonna go here and do this. If I can turn, okay, sorry, I was trying to make sure I had my slice tool. Here we go, cute. Add that back to my pile. Where's my lid? Here it is. Okay, cute. So that is going to be kind of like the base, I suppose. Now we can get into the sort of like day by day of the month. This is kind of a longer month because I'm doing more. We're doing a lot more. So the first things first is bill stuff. So on the 1st, we have a house payment due. And if you've been following my monthlies for forever, I love to use the little mini Once More with Love SPC icons. There are some of my personal faves. So I have the house to mark our house payment. And then on the 4th, we leave for Disney. So I want to use, I don't know, kind of just want to use a little thing because I have so much to put in this month. So for going to Disney, should I zoom in? That's good. I'm using a plain doodle from SPC. We'll have it going up because we are going to Disney. And I have a vacation time script from SPC in rose gold. This is from the travel bucket list, maybe? I think so. So we're gonna be there 6th, 8th, come home the 9th. So we are doing 4 days at the parks. Shall I? I'm gonna do these for our park days. We're doing Magic Kingdom twice because I'm not like the biggest fan of Animal Kingdom DAC. It's like okay, but I really want to do Magic Kingdom twice because I have 2 little princesses that are obsessed with the castle, and therefore their mother will take them to the castle as much as they want to go. So I'm just gonna line these up because we're doing 4 park days. So let's get all the doodles I'm using are from SPC as well as all of the scripts. So we have like a castle doodle, and then the scripts are in gold because I couldn't find my rose gold the old ones of the, what are they called? The parks, but gold works for now. So I'm just gonna pop everything in for every day that we're there. What park we'll be at, I'm super stoked. I used all like gray doodles and like orange doodles from SPC. So like the bottom right and then the top left is where I went with those. Okay, so, and then we come home the 9th, which I am excited about. So for coming home, we'll use another little thing here. And I have a little house doodle from SPC. Excuse me as I low-key burp. I think that is cute. So there's that, and then on the 12th, we have a bundle release, or not a bundle, a collection release. We are releasing a Grinch collection based off of Jim Carrey, The Grinch, one of my all-time favorite Christmas movies, and I'm using the Max Once More with Love sticker because it matches the spread, and there is going to be a Max scent. Then the 15th, we have 2 bills due, electric and gas. I'm just gonna grab 2 little things to mark that. And to mark that with the icons, I'm using just the 2 stars. One is an open star and one is a closed star, and it works for me. Then the 17th, the Christmas holiday advent we are doing starts shipping. Oh my gosh, when we get back, we have so much to do, but I'm gonna make sure it gets done. Oh wait, did I use the wrong color? I did, I need this white color. So that starts shipping this day. So I have this really cute Once More with Love Santa mail, because that's basically what it's going to be. And then on the 18th, I have 2 bills due. I have State Farm and Barclay. State Farm's our insurance, Barclay is a credit card. So just a credit card payment. It's a little crooked, but it's all good. So for that, I have a money icon and a alarm icon. Pop those there. I love this rose gold with this kit. Okay, and then the 21st is my brother Bryson's birthday. He's gonna be 13, which is gross. Don't like that at all. Makes me nauseous because he's like a child to me, a small baby, and he's gonna be 13. Oh my god. I feel like an old lady because I was 13 turning 14 when he was born, so love that for me. Using this paper and milk little Maru in the birthday box and a happy birthday script from SPC. Gonna have to give him a call that day. And then on the 22nd, I have 3 bills due. Technically they're due the 21st, but because I have a birthday, that's more important to me. So I have our water bill. Oh, last month I totally forgot to put in our trash bill was due. I still paid it, obviously, but I totally forgot because it's every 3 months. But this is water, another credit card, and AT&T, which is our phones. So for water, it always makes me chuckle a little, but the little spray bottle is perfect for that. For a credit card, I have a little SPC bow. And then for our phone bill, I have a phone. Cute. Then on the 25th, it is Thanksgiving. We're gonna have to mark Thanksgiving. Oh no, I don't have the brown box anymore. Let's just skip it. No, let's use it. Let's use this one. For Thanksgiving the 25th, I have this cute little pie doodle from SPC. I'm obsessed with these pie doodles. They're so cute. I would like to assume that is pumpkin pie. And then from SPC, the mini months, I have a mini Thanksgiving. Oh my god, that looks so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. And then the 26th is Black Friday, and we have a sale / collection release. We are doing an Elf collection, which is Brian's favorite Christmas movie of all time. So my favorite is The Grinch, and his is Elf. So we had to do that. So I have a cute little Paper Muse Crafts buddy to put there for that release. Like, come on, so cute. And then last but not least, on the 28th, we have 2 more bills. We have our internet and our car. And that is going to be that. So that is that. Let's do the little computer icon and a car icon. Oh my gosh, this month looks so fun. They're never this packed. This is so exciting. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you back out just a little bit. My camera is dying, so I'll go through this as quickly as I can. But I'm going to use some of these boxes. I definitely want to use this turkey as close to Thanksgiving as possible. We'll pop it there, as well as this food spread. Hello, we'll put this one on like the 30th. And then let's try and put I just threw my deco. These other 2 up top more. Oh, that's what I didn't pull out, date numbers, but that's okay. And let's do let's do the 11th. Sorry, I was like, I don't know, there's a lot going on this month. Okay, so I need date numbers quickly. Thank goodness I used date numbers all last year because I have a ton of them. Okay, so these are from SPC. They're just the original date numbers. This is date number 1, I guess. And then there's also a second option as well now available in shop, but I still prefer the first option. So that's the 3rd. This is going to be the 11th. Okay, and then the 20th? 20th down here. And the 30th. Oh my gosh, okay, that's my last 30. I was like, dang, where's all my 30s at? They've disappeared. Okay, and then I like to do deco on every day that has like nothing on it. I think that makes it more fun and exciting. So I'm just gonna go kind of down the line here and add a piece of deco on every day that has nothing for the most part. I'm gonna try and stick some more over here if I can, if all possible, because there's like nothing on this side. We'll do the computer right here, that's funny. And we'll do the bag, and then I almost had enough, you guys. I'll do it on the 16th. I just had 1 left. Oh well. So that is going to be it for my monthly spread for November. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.